Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make mint chocolate chip ice cream cake. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 30 mint Oreos, 2 tablespoons of butter, and we are going to melt that. A 1.5 quart container of a mint chip ice cream, and we do want that softened. You don't want to just pull it straight out of the freezer to use it. And then an 8-ounce container of some kind of Cool Whip topping, and you want that thawed if it was frozen. And then we need a springform pan. So I have that all ready to go. I'm going to spray my springform pan just so it doesn't stick, but I don't know if that's going to help or not. And then I am going to go ahead and crush my 16 of my Oreo cookies in a food processor. I added my butter to a microwavable safe bowl and just melted that. And then I added my 16 crushed up mint Oreos, and I'm just going to mix that together and press it into our prepared springform pan. That crust looks nice and pressed down to me, so now we are going to get that into the refrigerator for 30 minutes. My crust came out of the refrigerator, and I just spread on my 1.5 quart of my mint chocolate chip ice cream, and then I crushed, and not pulsed, but crushed 8 more Oreos and just spread those over top. And now we are going to put the next layer of Cool Whip. My Cool Whip layer has been added over top, and mine comes pretty much to the top. So if you use a smaller springform pan, I think mine is 9-inch, so you don't really want to go smaller, or you'll just use less of the ice cream. So now we are going to cover this, and we are going to put it in the freezer for at least 3 hours. Mine is probably going to be, mine is going to be overnight, because this is for Taste Tester's big brother, my allergy kiddo. This is for his birthday tomorrow. He is going to be the big 18. All right, I removed my cake from the freezer. It looks so good. I just put mine onto a plate and then just removed my outer ring from my springform pan. Then I just added some Oreos to the top for garnish, and it looks so cute. I cannot wait to see what Taste Tester and my 18-year-old think. All right, we have a piece for Taste Tester here. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.